सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। 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 गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक। गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूपा गम गम भूता प्रपंचरहिता। निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूपा गम गम भूता प्रपंचरहिता। निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत। निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत। आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग। आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि किट किट तोम तोम तरि किट किट तोम। दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि किट तोम 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 तरि किट किट तोम। मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा। मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा। सर्वदिगंबर वेष्टित वेशा। मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा। सर्वदिगंबर वेष्टित वेश। नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेश। नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेश। ईशा सवेश सर्वेश। नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेश। नित्य निरंजन नृत्य नटेश। ईशा सवेश सर्वेश। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो। This is one of the most popular Kriti of Pujya Swamiji. Swamiji's Kritis were sung by the great musicians Sri Maharajapuram Santanam and his son Sri Maharajapuram Ramachandran, and later by other singers also. And Maharajapuram Santanam and his son Ramachandran were very much intimately associated with Swamiji, and this Kriti became very popular. Later, many classical singers, musicians and Bharatanatyam dancers, they used to sing and dance on this Kriti. Therefore, it became very, very popular Kriti. In this Kriti, Swamiji glorifying the Lord Shiva, and Swamiji brings the form of Nataraja in front of our eyes. In his Purvashramam, Swamiji was known by the name Natarajan. First Pallavi begins with Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho, the first line of the Pallavi. O Shambhu. Shambhu means, Sham means happiness, Sukham. Sham bhavayati iti Shambhu. The one who is the cause for the happiness is known as Shambhu. Then Shiva Shambhu. Shiva means Shyati Papam iti Shivaha. The one who is the destroyer of our sins, Papam, is known as Shiva. And by destroying our Papam, he gives Mangalam, auspicious. There is another name, another meaning of Shiva is auspicious. Once Papam goes away, automatically Punya, the Mangalam, the auspicious, always be with us. Then Swayambho, O Lord, the self-existent one. Swayambho. Swayam bhavati iti Swayambho. Addressing. Bho Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Amarnath, Kedarnath, many other places they are called as Swayambhulinga, Swayambhu Devalayam. Swayambhu means it is not installed by, the lingam is not installed by any human being. Therefore, such places, such lingams are known as Swayambhu Lingam. So, Swamiji addressing, Hey Swayambhu. And Shiva is one of the name of God of Sacred Trinity, who is entrusted with the work of destruction, Layakarta. Brahmaji and Vishnu. Brahmaji means, to differentiate from Nirguna Brahman, we call him as Brahmaji. There is no Brahmaji word actually. Brahma, the long Brahma is Chaturmukha Brahma. And Vishnu, they were looking after the function of creation and sustenance. Then second line of Pallavi is Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara. Gangadhara, O Lord, the wearer of Ganga on your head, Gangadhara. In Anikatti Gurukulam, Arshavidya Gurukulam, the Lord Shiva manifestation as Dakshinamurti, Medha Dakshinamurti. And in Rishikesh, another temple also is there in Anikatti, Shiva temple, Jnaneshwari. And in Rishikesh, the Lord Adhisthana is Gangadhareshwara. Swamiji addressing that Gangadhareshwara, Gangadhara. Shankara, Sham means Mangalam, Karoti iti Shankara. The one who is the bestower of all blessings, Shankara. All blessings, you may protect me. Mam Ava. Ava means protect. Mam plus Ava, Mamava. May you protect me. From where? Bhavasagara Taraka. Taraka means you are the navigator. You are the navigator of this samsara. Bhava means janana marana. Samsara, Sagaram. This is the ocean of samsara. You are the navigator of crossing the ocean of samsara. Mam Ava, may you protect me. He Shambhu, protect me. Then Anupallavi. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita. Now, all that in a Vedantic teaching comes here in this Anupallavi. So, as I said previously, the Kriti is always consisting of Saguna description and Nirguna description. If we study Shastra, we understand where Saguna description comes, where Nirguna description comes. Here the Nirguna description Swamiji presents. Nirguna Parabrahma. Nirguna means you are. Your nature is Swarupa. Your nature is Nirgunam. You are Parabrahman without attributes. Your nature is Parambrahma, free from all attributes. Saguna, Satvaguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Rahitaha. Triguna Rahitaha is Nirgunaha. Swarupa. Parambrahma, Nirguna Brahman. And Gama Agama Bhuta Prapancha. That Prapancha, Bhuta Prapancha, which has got all elementals, the 5 elements manifest as Nama Rupa Prapancha. Every object is made out of 5 elements. So, Bhuta Prapancha, a world or universe made out of Pancha Bhutas known as Bhuta Prapancha. What type of this Prapancha is nature? What is the nature of this Prapancha? Gama Agama. It is of the nature coming and going. Agama means coming into manifestation. And Gama means going, unmanifest form. Going into unmanifest form. Gama Agama, Gama Gama, Bhuta Prapancha, Rahita. You are free from, you are untouched by the world that comes and goes. Prapancha Rahita, we can remember Mandukya Upanishad, Prapanchopashamam Shantam Shivam Advaitam. Prapancha Rahita. In the last class, Kriti, I said Madhura Meenakshi when I was talking. I mentioned two types of causes, changing cause and unchanging cause, Parinamik Upadana Karanam and Vivarta Upadana Karanam. I said there two examples, the rope snake without undergoing any change in a semi-darkness, twilight, snake seen upon the rope. The false snake is seen upon the rope and the person looks at that as a real snake. Rope doesn't change its form. Without changing its form, rope appears as a snake. Snake cannot touch the rope because rope is not there really to touch the a snake is not there really to touch the rope. Like that, we have to understand in all these are discussed in Upanishads very elaborately, very deep subjects. So Prapancha Rahita means here Brahman is an absolute reality, Prapancha is a relative reality, objective universe is Vyavaharika Prapancha. It is of lower order of reality, lesser real than Brahman. Therefore, Satyam and Mithya. So, Mithya Vastu cannot touch the Satya Vastu, just as the false snake cannot touch the rope. Similarly, this entire universe cannot touch that Brahman. That Brahman is my real nature, my I, the self, I am that Parabrahman. So we understand that Bhagavan's original nature is Nirakaram, Nirgunam, Parabrahma, Swarupam. To understand that you require Saguna, Swarupam, Sakaram. That is why in Pallavi, Swamiji mentioned that all Saguna form, so that you can come to Nirguna Jnanam, Prapancha Rahita. Then Nija Guha, Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Ananta. Nija Guha Nihita. Nihita, you are abiding in my heart. Nija Guha means one's own heart. In everyone's heart, Nija Guha means one's own heart. In everyone's heart, you are abiding, you are residing. It is the place that Brahman lending the consciousness, making the mind sentient by lending RC, that is reflected consciousness. And once mind becomes sentient, that mind makes the body sentient. So OC, RC, RM. Original consciousness Param Brahma, Nirgunam Param Brahma, lend RC reflected consciousness to the body mind complex, directly to the mind, then indirectly to the body. Therefore, Nija Guha Nihita, Nitanta Ananta. You are absolutely limitless. Ananta means limitless. Many times we saw this word. Limitless means beyond time and space and object. Desha Kala Vastu Paricheda Shunyaha is called limitlessness. Nitantam, always, absolutely. Nitanta, Ananta, Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga. Ananda Atishaya, Atishaya Ananda. You are of the nature of original Ananda, Swarupa Ananda. Whatever Ananda we get in this world is only the reflection of that Brahmananda. Brahmananda is my Swarupam, Ananda Swarupam. that Pratibimba Ananda, reflected Ananda, comes through the objects. That is Koshananda we call, or Pratibimbananda, or reflected Ananda. Pratibimbananda is temporary, but Bimbananda is always permanent. That is the meaning of this incomparable Ananda Swarupam you are. Akshaya Linga. Akshaya Linga, the literal meaning is imperishable. You are not subject to any declension, any form of decline. Kshaya Rahitaha, Akshaya Linga. You are in the form of imperishable nature, not subject to any 6 modifications. Asti, Jayate, Vardhate, Vipranamate, Apakshiyate, Vinashyati. All these Shadvikara Shunyaha. You are Akshaya Linga. And Vedantically also we see Akshaya Linga, that Brahman is Kshaya Rahitaha, Shadvikara Rahitaha, therefore Akshaya Linga. There is one Kirtana also in Shankarabharanam. Akshaya Linga Vibho Swayambho Akhilanda Koti Prabho. Akshaya Linga Vibho. Akshaya Linga Vibho. There are temples where the Lord is known as Akshaya Linga. Grammatically, if we see, Lingate, Lingyate, Gnayate, Anena is called Linga. Linga means indicator, through which you know that invisible entity. Linga is that indicator through which you know the invisible. Like smoke. Smoke is a linga. Parvataha Vanniman Dhumavatvat. Through smoke you come to know there is a fire on the mountain. Like that, Shiva Linga is always a linga through which you know the Paramatma real nature. Lingyate, Gnayate, Anena iti. This is a grammatical derivation. Another, that is the meaning given, Leenamartham Gamayati iti lingam. That which takes you to that entity which is invisible. Leenamartham, hidden thing. Whatever is there, it will lead to that, it reveals that. That is called lingam. Leenamartham Gamayati iti lingam. This is about Anupallavi. Now we will go to the Charanam. And this Charanam, Swamiji begins with a Jati. Dimita dimita dimi dimi kita kita tom, tom tom tari kita kita tom. Jati means the sequence of rhythmic movements in a composition which is a combination of basic dance movements, that is known as Jati. So this Dimita Dimita is known as a Jati. Swamiji reminds us Shivatandava. Shivatandava is very famous, written by Ravana Brahma. So Lord Shiva is known as Nataraja, as a dancer at the time of Sandhikala, Pradosha time. He does that Shivatandava. Now it is very, very popular, this Pradosha Puja in many Shiva temples. After this Jati, next line comes that Sandhikala is between day and night, middle time, 4:30 to 7. That time is called Sandhikala. Matanga Munivara Vanditaisha. You are worshipped by the great rishis, sages like Matanga, Munivara, great sages like Matanga. Many other rishis worshipped you. O Lord, you are worshipped by great sages like Matanga, Munivara, Vandita Isha. Sarvadigambara Veshtita Vesha. You are wearing the clothes, nothing but directions. Digambara means what? Whose ambaram, vastram is nothing but all four directions. And up and down and other directions also. Total 10 directions are the like vastram for you. Sarvadigambara Veshtita Vesha. All the quarters are directions. Nitya Niranjana Nritya Natesha. You are eternal, Nitya, Nityan, Niranjana, flawless, pristine, you are. Nritya Natesha, you are the Lord of dance. Nataraja, you are. Isha Sabhesha, Isha, you are the Lord. Sabhesha, at the altar stage. Sabhesha, Lord Shiva's very popular name is Sabhapati. Sabhapati ki vere daivam. Another kirtan also is there. Chidambaram Nataraja is known as Kanaka Sabhapati. It's a golden Sabhapati. Means the Lord of Kanaka Sabha. And Madurai is known as Rajata Sabhapati. Rajata Sabha, Madurai. And like that, Ratna Sabha, Tamra Sabha in Tirunelveli and other places, they consider as Ratna Sabha, Kanaka Sabha and Tamra Sabha, etc. And in Rudram also we see Sabhabhyas Sabhapatibhyascha vo namo namo. Like that, the Sabhapati is very, very famous, popular name of Lord Shiva. Nitya Niranjana Nritya Natesha Isha Sabhesha Sarvesha. Sarvesha, you are the Lord of all. You are the Lord of all. Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho. O Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Mam Ava, may you protect me, Gangadhara. Mam Ava Bhava Taraka, Bhava Sagara Taraka. You are the navigator of this crossing the samsara chakram. Please help me, bless me. Swamiji seeking the blessings from Lord Shiva, Nataraja, Sabhapati, Gangadhara. With this, I conclude this Kriti, which is very, very popular and fond of Swamiji also, and many other singers and dancers. Of course, all of us Swamiji disciples love this Kriti very much. It is always ringing in our minds. We remember Swamiji always in this Kriti. I am very happy to speak about this Kriti briefly. Hari Om. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.